Hey, it's Adam here, and I got a bunch of pieces disassembled. What is it? Well, this is obviously a heat gun, okay, or a professional blow dryer for removing paint and decals and stuff like that. This is one of my favorite things. It's a light incorporating solar and battery. I took it apart because I want to show you a couple things. First, this is the spike that goes in the ground, okay? So you can put this thing anywhere. You don't have to wire it. You don't have to plug it in. It's got its own internal battery, charges with the sun. You put this spike wherever you want it. This is the thing that elevates it off the ground, okay? Now, I'm not gonna lie. This is a tight fit. That's why I have the heat gun. You can use a hair dryer for this too. I just like make it a little bit more pliable. Little more flexible. So that I can shove this in the bottom. Boom! Easily assembled once it's warmed up just a little bit. If you don't do that, you may struggle to jam it in there, or I don't know, maybe you might crack it if you don't do it. Anyway, this is the stake. Next thing, this is the actual LED and solar assembly itself. On the bottom, there's a switch that will allow you to go from fade to off to on. So you can pick what mode you want. If I switch it here to on, when it gets dark, these lights are just gonna turn on, okay? If I choose fade, what it's gonna do is it's going to cascade lights down and just continue to go through that cycle. So you can pick between on or fade. I will probably use the fade button. That's kind of cool. It's very easy to assemble this. It's got two little tabs and then you just rotate it about, I don't know, about 5 degrees and it clicks in place just like that. It has this nice star pattern on the side that when you put it in fade mode, so it'll move that pattern across the lawn as it's going from top to bottom, which is very cool. This is waterproof, it's corrosion resistant, it's basically made out of plastic except for the couple essential components that aren't, and those are waterproof. It only takes 6 to 8 hours of charging in the sun, and this thing will run for 8 to 10 hours after that. Very high efficiency. There's no need for any other tools. If you want to make it a little easier, heat gun. If you don't, fine. This is it. You just place this and you're done. It's IP65. Put these wherever you want, project the pattern. I think you're gonna love it. If you wanna change what mode it is, twist it about 5 degrees, pop it off, move the switch, put it back in, twist it, you're done. Literally that easy. If you need to mow around it, pull it up, mow, put it back, or stick it in the mulch bed. It's gonna be very easy. So, if you like this, check it out. It comes in an 8-pack, which will cover a lot of sidewalk or a lot of landscaping. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's go light the fire. That's not how Billy Joel said it. It's we didn't start the fire. And we're not lighting a fire. It's a light. Gosh. I'm so sorry he's so dumb.